What do you do when you have too much bananas? Guess what? You make banana bread with no flour. Alright? So we're going to make a banana bread as well today. Get your bananas, get your oats ready. That's all you would need. Bananas, oats, baking powder, baking soda, some vanilla extract. What else we're going to dump in there? If you have chocolate chips, if you want to, I'm going to use some cacao powder. Not too much because it's a little bit bitter because it's sort of on the pure chocolate side. And almond milk, as I usually use, some honey or maple syrup. And we're going to get this party started. All right? This is some of the ingredients here. I love to put cinnamon in everything. Vanilla extract, we got some bananas, honey, almond milk, and we got some good old-fashioned oats. Well, I mean, I love oats in everything. Good replacement for flour if you don't want to do the flour. All right, so we're gonna get started and start smashing some bananas. I already smashed, like, well, it's not smashed, but we're gonna get 1.5, usually 2 cups of bananas, 2.5 cups of oats already in there, and let's get started. Don't forget, we have to do our baking soda and some baking powder. Cinnamon, you want to put 1/2 teaspoon, 1.5. I'm putting, I really don't like to measure, but all right, you can do 1/2 teaspoon. That's enough for me. Vanilla extract, teaspoon again. Okay, that should be good there. That's my measuring. don't get on me, but we're gonna do the baking powder and the baking soda is what I really measure because I don't want to put too much or too little of that. So we're gonna have the baking soda. It's 1 teaspoon, and we have baking powder 3/4 teaspoon. All right, I'm going to put, because I don't have my measuring, so I have a 1/4 teaspoon here. So 3/4, that's 1, 2, and 3, right? I'm not big on measuring. I just put what feels right sometimes, but for you guys, don't worry, I'll put the exact measurements on there for you. Okay, so we have the almond milk, 1/3. Place that there, and I have a 1/4 cup of honey. Or you can put 1/2 cup of maple syrup if you want. The you know, depends how sweet you want it. I'm putting a 1/4. You gotta drain this, drain. We have the milk in there. We're gonna mix it up a little bit, and we're gonna have some banana bread without flour. Okay, so we added everything, wet, dry ingredients, everything is mixed up here. The only thing that I need to add now, I'm gonna add some of this cacao powder. Oh, why is it shaking? Cacao powder, and I have some coconut chips. I'm gonna add in there, maybe just on the top. All right, so how much of this I'm going to add? Just a little bit, maybe one, not maybe, but 1 tablespoon, because this is very rich and high in antioxidants, but it's also, you know, very bitter because it's the natural cocoa. All right, so let's put some of this in here. So we have it chocolatified, looking like chocolate, right? Good. Guess what I'm gonna add? I'm always adding something. I'm gonna add a couple, well, 1/2 cup of flaxseed, because why? I add flaxseed to everything. Well, a little, 1/4, well, full 1/4. Okay, see the full 1/4, and I'm gonna mix this up. We're gonna put it in the pan and see what happens. I really like flaxseed because it helps you to go to the bathroom regularly, and that's a good thing. It's great source of fiber, and it's just really good for you. It really cleans out your intestines and help you to really be better when it comes to your health. All right, so we're gonna mix that in. I'm gonna probably sprinkle a little more oats because it's kind of like wetty, you know. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of oats. So now I always tell people recipes always depend on you. How do you like your things? You like it, you know, moist, you like something a little bit more, you know, dry, depends. So I just sprinkle a little bit of oats because I don't like it too wet, but I don't want to put too much to make it into like a dough. All right, so let's go, let's put this in the pan, let's see what comes out. So this is it in the pan, and I'm just going to put some berries on top, blueberries, right? Because why? I just like, you know, to spice up my recipes differently. And then I'm gonna dry my hands and get some coconut chips. All right, sprinkle some. Let's see. There you go. Oven is set to 350. We're gonna let the oven preheat, and then we're gonna put it in there for 35 minutes and see how it comes out. All right, there you go. So here you have your flourless banana bread. No flour was used in this process. It tastes really, really well. For more amazing videos, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see you.